and I am here with another recipe. You want to hang on to the end to see what all this excitement is all about. Trust me, you want to hang on. Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beautiful Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beautiful Chick, come along and I'll show you how to make this unripe plantain porridge. It's a Jamaican recipe I found on Chef Ricardo's channel. And I gave mine a twist. Trust me, I will always do that every now and then. So you want to start by peeling your plantains like so. And this is what we're expecting. Here is my twist to this porridge. Because I love coconut so much, I decided to add coconut to mine. So this is just me blending my coconut into a really smooth paste. No hassle, just that. Anyways, so the plantains were cut into cubes like so, and I added 3 cups of water to 2 plantains. Now you want to be very careful about adding water. If you do not add sufficient water, your porridge is gonna be fufu. So to your pan, you want to bring your blended unripe plantains, and the job begins. You have to keep stirring for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is me adding my coconut flakes, coconut juice, coconut. This consistency shows that it is getting there. And this consistency shows that it is there. So this is the consistency you are looking for. Porridgey, smooth, slurry, glossy. Alrighty guys, you want to hang on because I'll be sharing the benefits of unripe plantains with you, and I'll show you how to eat this. So I dish this out just in preparations to share with you how to eat this. But before then, plantains, unripe plantains can help you with weight loss because of the fiber contents in it. Yes, that is why it can help you. And why, when you say, I always tell you, when something is recommended for weight loss, it's because of the high fiber content in it, meaning it will keep you full for a long period of time. You won't get hungry easily. It prevents constipation. It helps to build strong bones and teeth. It is good for your heart. Yes, plantains, very good for your heart. So I'll recommend it for hypertensive people and diabetic people. And why will I recommend it? It's very high in potassium. So hang on, I'll continue. But this is me showing you how you can eat this. You either use milk, and I like to use 3 crowns milk because of the low cholesterol in it. Then you can add sugar. This is we healthy people trying to encourage you unhealthy people to eat something. Anyways, I went ahead, added cinnamon powder to this, and it was lovely guys. I mean it. Now a second option to how you can eat your plantain porridge is by itself, and you add honey. What is life without the honey? Now I'm getting too excited. Okay, calm down. Then I went ahead, added pumpkin seeds. You can add any seeds of your choice. It just makes it really interesting to eat. I hear that unripe plantain helps with stomach ulcer. Then it helps the level of your sugar. Yes, it helps to lower it as against the ripe plantains. So this is ideal for diabetics. This was lovely. No gimmicks. It was, guys. Honestly, you should give it a try. You should. Alrighty, guys. It is at this point I will say to you, please like this video, leave me a comment, share this video with someone who you think will need this, and if you are a returning subscriber, this is for you. And if you haven't subscribed, you want to consider subscribing, because there is a whole lot more on this channel. Yes, guys. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much. I love you. And I appreciate your commitment to my channel. Honestly, I do. God bless you. Have I said, wait. Have I said bye? Oh, bye! I love you.